If you're in the hospitality business, you probably need help maintaining your inventory. FPOS Group has a great solution from Future POS to help you do so. In this video, we will show you how to easily track your quantities available. Let me show you how Future POS simple, free inventory system works. If we look at our beer buttons, you will notice a number on the bottom right-hand corner. This shows you the amount of bottles of each item I should have in stock. Once it gets to 0, it will no longer allow me to ring it in. I can have a manager change the quantity available, 86 an item or un-86 an item whenever I need. This is especially good with specials like Beer of the Month. There are only 2 drafts left on Beer of the Month. Once I try to sell any more after those 2, I cannot ring in any more items. This helps solve the problem of employees ringing in an item you cannot serve, causing frustration from the customers and other employees. After the bartender or barback changes the keg, I can easily un-86 the item and allow it to be rung back in. You can run a report right from the front end that shows you what current items you have in stock as well as their quantity available. FPOS Group recommends running this report to make sure that the quantity available in Future POS matches the quantity actual available in your store. If this number is off, you know someone is stealing from you or is not ringing in items correctly. Using the quantities available feature is a great way to start maintaining your inventory. It allows items such as specials of the day to not be rung in when they are out, as well as provide a simple way to track your inventory and make sure items are being rung in properly. This is yet another way FPOS Group and Future POS save you time and put money back in your pocket.